Most students can draw reflections. But when it comes to rules, they suddenly get confused. Here is the simple truth. You don't need to memorize everything. You only need 2 rules. Let's make reflections fast and easy. In reflections, we flip points across a line. The shape stays the same. Only the coordinates change. Now let's make this super simple using rules. First rule. Reflection across the x-axis. Take any point x, y. When you reflect across the x-axis, the x value stays the same. The y value changes sign. That's it. Positive becomes negative. Negative becomes positive. So the rule is x, y becomes x, negative y. This means the figure flips vertically. Up becomes down. Down becomes up. Example. Quadrilateral QRST. Q at 5, 6. R at 7, 2. S at 3, 1. And T at 2, 5. Let's reflect across x-axis. 5, 6 becomes 5, negative 6. 7, 2 becomes 7, negative 2. 3, 1 becomes 3, negative 1. And 2, 5 becomes 2, negative 5. Only the y value changes. Now for the second rule. Reflection across the y-axis. Take any point x, y. When you reflect across the y-axis, the y value stays the same. The x value changes sign. So the rule is x, y becomes negative x, y. This means the figure flips sideways. Left becomes right. Right becomes left. Example. Quadrilateral QRST. Let's reflect across the y-axis. 5, 6 becomes negative 5, 6. 7, 2 becomes negative 7, 2. 3, 1 becomes negative 3, 1. And 2, 5 becomes negative 2, 5. Only the x value changes. Here is the easiest way to remember. If the mirror is the x-axis, you change the y. If the mirror is the y-axis, you change the x. That's it. Now you know the 2 main reflection rules. X-axis changes y, y-axis changes x. That's the shortcut students should remember. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.